Hello. The daily positive news beautifully visualized by information is beautiful, August 21st, 2020. Today's visualization is about 6 organic, biodegradable alternatives to single-use plastics. The world has a plastic problem. In the last 60 years, we've produced more than 8 billion tons of the stuff. It pollutes the oceans and the land. There's no one replacement for all plastics. But science is coming up with new, individual, biodegradable materials that may replace bags, packaging and bottles. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.